I happened to be the last speaker. There was very little time left. So I was inspired to sing, which I shall sing before you, which carries the essence of doctor-patient relationship, which we have to bear in mind. I have Dr. Parikh here, and he bears me out that Dr. Ambrose Paré, in the 16th century, he gave a great quotation, I dressed the wound, God healed the wound. I dressed the wound, God healed the wound. So God there. And till today on wound healing we know nothing except the fact that God heals the wound. So allow me to sing for you, and I'm sure you can join. Mareez means a patient. मरीज की मुस्कुराहटों पे हो निसार, मरीज का दर्द मिल सके तो ले उधार, मरीज के वास्ते हो तेरे दिल में प्यार, डॉक्टर इसी का नाम है. We doctors are expected to be well dressed, but never too well dressed, because it intimidates the patient. There is a conversation in New Journal of Medicine where a patient tells the doctor, "Doctor, I am afraid of you because you are too well dressed for me." So we are supposed to be voluntarily poor. माना डॉक्टर देखने में फकीर है, फिर भी यारो दिल के वो अमीर है. माना डॉक्टर देखने में फकीर है, फिर भी यारो दिल के वो अमीर है. मिटे मरीज के लिए वो जिंदगी, करे मरीज के लिए वो बंदगी. किसी को हो न हो हमें है एतबार, डॉक्टर इसी का नाम है. A patient comes to us not by walking, not in car, not on cycle, but on a path of faith. A patient comes faith. Faith. रिश्ता है मरीज के एतबार का, जिंदा है तबीब से नाम प्यार का. You know one thing I tell you, somebody in distress, you look at the person as your own, and if love is dripping from your eyes, much of the patient's illness is likely to be mitigated. We must look at the patient. It's I who am suffering. It's I. It's incidentally. In fact, in Quran it is said that before a doctor goes to a patient, he must thank the God that but for your mathematics, I could be there and the patient could be here. Please remember. रिश्ता है मरीज के एतबार का, जिंदा है तबीब से नाम प्यार का. कि मर के भी मरीज को याद आएंगे, मरीज की आंसुओं में मुस्कुराएंगे. कहेगा हर मरीज मरीज से बार बार, डॉक्टर इसी का नाम है.